That's a big bull.
They're my favorite animal to hunt and eat. I'm really excited to take you through the behavior of caribou, how to hunt them, their migration patterns, and everything that you can need to think about and know before you go into a caribou hunt, and how to strategically get close enough to be able to make that kill.
I've been dreaming about this.
Caribou in sight. The native term for caribou is wanderer. So when you think about caribou behavior, you can pattern elk, you can pattern deer. It's pretty hard to pattern a caribou. You can pattern them with their migration route, but what they do in between, like, it doesn't really make sense. There's a bunch of cows and there's a bunch of bulls. They just kind of take turns. One cow sees you or one cow hears you and they get up and startle, the rest of them are gonna startle even if they don't know what's going on. Go along with caribou hunt with me and my daughter. Shovels are a huge piece of the scoring process. I mean, look at this thing. We brought you guys a caribou hunting masterclass. What a day.